I will switch to right orthographic view, and in add armature, and I'm going to add the single bone. So now I will, yeah. So in the right orthographic view, the bone is created. Now I will switch to edit mode and select the head of the bone. That is, this is the head and this is the tail. This is the body. So I am selecting the head of the bone and pressing G and keeping it like this, somewhere like this. Okay, fine. And I can switch on the X-ray switched on. Then I will switch on the word increment and then absolute grid snap. So when I press G and then move it, it snaps to the grid. Okay. Little more up we can take it. Take it here. Yeah. This also. And move it forward, switch off the snap and then move it forward. Now we can start extruding. See, this is the leg bones, okay? Thigh bone and calf bone, and then ankle bone and toe bone. These are the things we are going to draw. So like this, and then yeah. So this is the side profile of the leg. Yeah. Right. Now let me name it as usual. We have to name it. Yes, I am in edit mode. Press F2 and then femur. The bone's name is femur. This is tibia. And then this is ankle. And this one is toe. So let me switch on the names here in the armature properties, so that we can see it. So now I told you that after putting the legs, that is drawing the bones for the legs or hands, we will have to, when the animator is going to, when he wants to animate it, what he will look for is, can I have one control with which I can move the entire leg? That's what he will do. Otherwise, he will tell the rigger that I cannot make this guy's leg move like this every time and then make him walk or run or whatever actions. I cannot do that. So for this one also, XYZ graph will get created in the rotation, and this bone also will get created. So totally 6 graph curves will be there in the graph editor. So many curves he will have to manage. Instead, he will want one single control with which he can control the two bones, both the bones at single shot. So for that they introduced what is called inverse kinematics. So now this is the time for creating the inverse kinematics. But before that we have to create the controls. That is curve controls I told you. See, for 3 types of bones I told you. These are deform bones. If you want, I will name them deform. D femur, D tibia. D for deform. Yeah. So this one is D toe. Right. So these are deform bones. Now we have to create the control bones. Right. Now let's create the control bones. Go to the right orthographic view only. Now for legs we have something called knee. Knee is also a control. That is, you would have seen with the dancers, they just shake the knees only. So there is a control there. We have a control over here to move individually only that portion. So we can create a control for that particular portion. How to create? How to create? I am in edit mode. I am selecting the knee part and pressing E in the keyboard and then extruding it. And now if I move it, you see it is physically connected, so it will pull the entire bone. So what we'll have to create, what we'll have to do is, we have to detach the bone, that is control bones, from the deform bones hierarchy, or deform bones deform chain of bones. So for removing this knee bone, that is knee control, from the deform bones, press Alt P and clear parent. Now you see when I move it, it won't affect the deform bones chain. Right. Now I'll keep this here and name him as CTL knee. CTL knee. Right. Now this bone is created, that is knee control is created. Now we'll go for the next, creating the next control. Next control is here. So I'll press E, selecting the ankle ball. I'll press E and then extrude it like this. Now again Alt E and clear the parent so that it becomes separate. That is removed from the physical connection. Yeah, now I'm able to move it separately. Right. Let me name him as CTL leg or ankle, leg is okay. Right. Now one more control we have to create here also. So press, select this, that is we can call him pivot also. That is, you would have seen, some people know, that is when you are when you are walking with your foot entirely, keeping the entire foot on the floor, it will have sound. So sometimes what we do, we lift the heel and then walk on the pivot, that balls, that foot balls. So yeah, so that ball I am selecting, and then there also I want a control, and selecting that ball and then extruding it like this, and then press selecting that and press Alt to P, clear parent. Now I am able to move it separately and rename it as CTL CTL pivot, foot pivot. Yeah, foot pivot. Can be any name. See, for your convenience, whichever names you will be able to understand with that. I'm just naming it as foot pivot. Sometimes some people name it as balls. So yeah. So this toe end also we have to create a control, because in Titanic movie you would have seen that they stand on toes. So there is a control over there. So there also I am creating a control. Now this also we have to separate the skeleton, that is bone. Right. So now let me name it as CTL toe. If it is double no, that is, if there had been a character mesh, then I would have named all these controls and all these deform bones also with .l, dot left or dot right, any one thing. But since it is only just for one leg I am showing, so that it will be easy for you. So I don't have to name .l or .r anything. Otherwise, we should name it as dot .l or dot .r when we are looking for a character. That is keeping the mesh and then drawing the bones for left leg and right leg, left hand and right hand. In that way, when we are doing, we should name it as dot .l or dot .r. So here only one leg we are going to create. So no problem. Okay. Now see, we have created 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 controls are there. I want to create one more control. Actually, that is going to be the leg. So let me duplicate this one only. This deformed toe bone only. Press Shift D and then duplicate and then snap it here. Yeah, snap. Now let me rename this as CTL leg. This is a leg. Right. So let me rename this as ankle, control ankle. Actually, it is not a control, it is a rig bone. I will tell you that. So actually, we have so how many controls there is? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 controls are there. Right. So this one we should name it as IK toe, IK angle, inverse kinematics angle. Right. So you can see that. And we should not forget to release it. That is, I duplicated this, selecting this D toe bone and placed it here. So I should also do the clear parenting and selecting that CTL duplicated one and pressing Alt to be clear parent. Right. So now the deformed bones are ready and control bones are also ready. One rig bone, that is IK bone. Rig bone means it is not involved in the deforming the mesh, okay, and it is not involved in the controlling the mechanism also. It is just inside the mechanism. It is one of the guys who is controlling these, who is helping these mechanisms. So he is not controlling. He is not. That is why I will name him as CTL. This guy is just a IK responsible person. He will take care of the IK for these two bones, femur and tibia bones. That's all. So now this one is ready. I will select this one. I will go to pose mode. I will select this one and then this one, and so first select the IK and then tibia bone and shift I. I have to press shift I. When I press shift I, you see what is happening. It is asking for to active bone. Active bone means actively selected bone. You can see two types of selections are there. One is dark blue color selection, another is cyan selection, bright selection. So one is inactive, that is just selection, another is active selection. So that is why it is asking shift I to the active bone, actively selected bone. I am saying yes. Immediately the chain is formed. You can see that chain is formed. So this chain is taking care of two bones, femur bone and tibia bone. So when I move this guy, these two bones will also move. So this is a mechanism. That is why bend the leg, bend. It will be helpful. Yeah, definitely it will be helpful. See, that is Bondler's job. He has to model those ratios. You are talking about the ratio of the limb That is I'll tell you. That is ratio length of the thighs, ratio length of the calf muscle, calf leg or tibia bone. So he has to take care of those things. We should know that. We should know the anatomy. That is, as a rigger, no? We should know the anatomy. As well as the modeler should also know the anatomy and also the shapes, so that he will know. Okay, thighs means it will not so lengthy. It will be only that is only for rarely for Negroes and all. We see very height thighs and all. So otherwise, no, mostly the thighs will be for white people or especially Indians and Chinese and all. The thighs, torso will be bigger, thighs and tibia will be shorter. Like that will be. Yeah, yeah. Torso will be lengthy for Mongolians. So like that, yeah. The rest Chinese, Koreans, all these people, no. They, even if you see Assamese, and they, you cannot find height people or not. Their height will be less only, right? So, yeah, yeah. And but their torso will be little lengthy. Height will be low for them. But you see, for Negroes, the thighs and tibia bone, that is leg bone, will be high, like that. So those variations are there between those races. So, yeah. So those things he has to know. So here we are just like a we are with our this approximately we are doing it. So when you keep the image or something in this blender, no, inside the screen on the right orthography, and then you can draw the bone like that also you can do. Or anyway you will have the model, no, mesh. So for the mesh only we will be drawing. So there you will know where the hip is starting, where the knee is, where the ankle is, where the toe is, where the foot pivot is, where the toe is. All these things you will know with the mesh only. Seeing the mesh only you know. So you don't have to actually know the anatomy. There is detailed study of anatomy is not it, but little, to some extent you can just scrape the surface about the subject. That is it. But it will be helpful, yeah. It will be helpful. There is when I on for a Telugu movie I did these rituals for a bats, bat. Yeah. So it's very long back. Okay. So for that I had to go to museum and then see the bone structure, because now we cannot see outside and all. It is like very long distance is flying bats and all. So in museum I saw it nailed on the board, pinned. So I am able to see how many bones are there. Like that I am able to study that, do my studies. Then I started doing the rigging and all. So like that we can see. Nowadays it's in those times I had to refer visual dictionary or go directly. Nowadays we have YouTube, so we can detailed pictures are there. So in Google everything is there. So we don't have to go anywhere. So, so coming to the subject, so this is simplified bones we have put. There is, we should not put so many bones. The number of bones present in the body, we should not imitate the same number of bones in the rigging. It is not the correct way. Yeah, yeah. So we should put only as minimal as possible, because so many bones will control so many places and the rig will get messed up. So only limited number of bones we should draw. That is what we have done here also. So now, so this IK mechanism I already showed you. It's not new thing. See, I will show you that in the right side properties editor, so that you will recollect. Okay, this is already this one we already saw it, like that you will recollect it. So I am selecting the D tibia deformed bone tibia bone and going to bone constraints properties. There you can see the IK. So this is the one we saw that we applied, no, inverse kinematics. That is the one we have applied. So it is not something new. So this is a function of IK. This is a purpose of IK, that to control many bones. See, for spring action kind of thing, for tube and all we did, no. So many bones we drew, and with one IK control we were able to control the entire string, entire tube or whatever. So same way here also, though there are only two bones, so this chain also, which is containing only two chains, we are able to control with one single IK control. So that's what we are trying to do. Yeah, yeah. So it's easy only. It's very easy. So now, when I move this guy, no, I don't have any control over the knee. So now I'm going to give the knee. For the knee, in 3D software they call it pole vector or pole target for knees. That is, for knee means those kind of controls. For those kind of similar controls, knee mechanism or knee kind of mechanism, for that they call this pole target or pole vector and all. So here in Blender software it is named as pole target, in Maya software it is pole vector. So now, now I am selecting the same object, that is tibia bone, which is already been given the IK. In that IK settings only we can find this pole target. Right. Now I am going and selecting on the field and choosing the same armature family. Inside the armature family, I am going to control this. I want this tibia bone to be controlled, that is knee bone to be controlled by a new control. Who is that? Control knee. So I will choose him only, CTL knee. Right. Now when I chose that, the legs are turning like this. Like this it is turning. So one reason for that is, we have to, I told you that day, that is in edit mode, for the bones in edit mode, we have an option called bone roll. Yeah, bone roll. So the day I showed you, there is, you can see clear roll, Alt R. Yeah. Somehow when I'm moving it, it is going to somewhere. Okay. So you can see the clear roll, right? You can see recalculate roll, set roll, clear roll. So for that shortcut is Alt R, clear roll. So that we have to do it here. Once we do that, many problems will be solved. That is, see, why we have to do that is, when I select this bone in edit mode, you can see roll is like 0.000014. So it should be mostly zeros only. It should not be like 14 or 0.1, 0.2. No, it should not be like. It should be zeros only. That's all. So what I am going to do, for I am in edit mode, I will select, press A and select all the bones and apply this clear roll by shortcut Alt R. You will see this roll will become 0. Yeah. Now it has become 0. Roll has become 0. You select any bone now, the roll will be 0. Now you go back to the pose mode. Now we can, still it is like this only. Now we can rectify it. It's not a big thing. In pole angle we have to type, just trial and error basis, we have to type -90 or anything. Yeah, -90 is okay. Now it has come back. Now when I move this, you see how the knee is behaving. Like this. Only knee part is moving, this part is not moving. Okay, only this part is moving. This ball, no, this part is moving. See? Yeah, right. So then what we have to do is, we have to go back to the edit mode and make the parent-child relationship. Now we have done the IK created the IK control and attached the IK control for the tibia bone. Also attached the knee bone. That is made the control knee control the govern the tibia bone. Made the IK ankle uh, govern the tibia bone. So both are controlling now the tibia bones. Both are governing the tibia bone. Now for ankle and toe also we should take controls. So how to do that? Yeah. Now I am in edit mode in right orthographic view. Now I am going to set the parent-child relationship. So this guy, okay, when I like this, this control knee guy, CTL knee, is going to become the child of IK ankle, okay, or CT control leg, any one thing. Huh? For now, I will make this control knee a child of IK ankle, huh? So that no, when I in pose mode, when I move it, this control knee also will move along with it. So for that purpose, what I am doing, I am selecting this control knee and then IK ankle, control key, keep offset. Offset parenting I am doing. Yeah. Now you can see the dotted lines. That is control knees head is connected to the IK ankles feet. The feet of the bone is connected to the head of the control knee bone, like this. Yeah. See from here you can see a line like this. So this is a child and this is a parent. Right. Now Now this guy is going to become the child and this guy will become the parent. So I am selecting the IK handle and then selecting the control pivot and pressing control P, keep offset parenting. You can see the dotted lines. Here this guy's feet is controlling this guy's head. This guy also going to become the child of control toe. So he is the parent now. Control toe is the parent of control foot pivot. Right. And pressing control P in the keyboard, keep offset parenting. Now you can see this guy, this control toe is controlling the control foot pivot. So this control toe is going to become the child of control leg. Now control leg is the ultimate parent of everyone. So it is like how he is a grand-kid and this guy is grandparent. Yeah. And this guy is the grandparent's father. He is. And this parent's father. And this guy's father. So he is a ultimate grandfather, grandfather, like that. So that hierarchy. So he is the last grandkid and he is a father. So middle are like parents, grandparent, like that. So when you are doing, you will understand this. Right? So hierarchy is coming like this. From here, and then from here, touching here, and finally going to here. So this guy is a parent, and this guy is that is grandparent, GG parent, and this guy is GG child. Right. So like this. Now let's see the effect. We have done the parenting. Let's go to pose mode and verify how it is behaving. So for verification, for examining all that, you have to go to pose mode only and do the movements and see. how it is functioning, because we have done the parent-child relationship in the edit mode. In the post mode, we should do only the constraints. So now we can see the entire thing is controlled. Yeah. So this one, when I rotate it like this, it is rotating. This one, when I rotate like this, it is rotating. Right. Now one thing is missing. That is when I rotate. That is when I move this one, there is no movement. That is, ankle and toe are not yet controlled. Means what? They are not yet put any IK. Right. Now we have come to the post move. Now let's put the IK for these guys also. Right. Yeah. Now this guy is going to control this guy. So select this guy and then select this guy. Shift I to the active bone. In the chain length, press 1. Yeah. Now this guy is controlling this guy. Okay, through IK, not through parent-child relationship, through constraint. IK constraint is controlling. Right. This control toe is going to control this deformed toe bone. So I will select this control toe first and then deformed toe bone secondly. That is active selection. Then I'll press Shift I to active bone. Choose type in the chain length only 1. Right. Now you see when I move this guy, you see what is happening. So yeah. So when I rotate this, you see like this. That is on the football he can stand. Yeah. See like this. If he is going to no, when you are doing it will be easy. Yeah. 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 The mechanism is actually yeah. So in Maya also same thing, same way. Yeah. The concept is same. Maya also same. Nice. Right. So we have created the ultimate control like this. Control leg. Now control toe we have. Control foot we have. This one is not a control. Right. Now this guy control knee also we have. So totally how many controls? CTL, CTL. 4 CTLs are there. 4 controls are there. So this is called rig bone. We are not using this. Let me name is it as rig bone only, which is just a helper of helping this mechanism. He is not a controller. He is neither a controller, nor a deformer. He is not going to deform the mesh. He is not having any direct relationship with the mesh. He is not having any relationship with the control also. Only thing what he is doing, he is just helping the mechanism. That is through IK constraint he is helping the mechanism. He is needed. Without him, these 2 bones we cannot move. That is 1 and then 2. See these 2 bones, this guy only control. There is sorry, not controller, mechanical rig bone. Let me call it rig bone or existing. So that way this guy is needed. Right. So now let's create in your machine. Same thing we will create. Sure. Yeah. Now go to right viewport. Press 1. Sorry, 3 1. So only in the for legs now we should draw the bones in the right view. That is correct. Yeah. Right. Now this correct angle. Now go to the top. This what is it? This snap button. Snap. Horseshoe icon. There, go to the settings of the horseshoe icon. Yeah. Now, switch on the absolute grid snap. Yeah, fine. That is it. Yeah. Come out. Bring the cursor out. Ah. Now, select the head of the bone. That is bottom. Okay. You have to go to edit mode. Press tab and then select the bottom. That is the head end. Yeah. Right. Now press G and then take it up. No, not E. You are extruding it. No, undo. G. No. You are pressing E. No. You have already pressed E and then pressing G. Yeah. So take it up. Up. Upper. Right. Little more top. There is a main point. There. Little one more square unit. You just go. Keep it. Little more up. Just no. Down. There. Little up. Up. That is, do you see that little brighter lines are there? No, come down. Little brighter light lines are there. There. Now select the tail. Tail. Now press G. No, again you are pressing E only. G. Go. Oh no, you have already pressed E. So undo you have to do. Yeah. Now you select. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Let it be there. You just move it. Move it up. Right side you move. Right side. No. This little. Go to the same. No. Go left side. Yeah. Let it be like no. Wait. Come down. Little come down. Now you slowly move right side. Rightwards. Rightwards. Still. Yeah. So this is going to be the knee. Okay. So move it right. Bus. Little more right side. Bus. No. Okay. Right side means rightwards. Bus. Now press G and then Z. No. Select. You don't have to change the selection. Select same ball. No. Select that middle ball. Now press G and then Z. Down. Bring it down. Bus. No. Slowly do. Go up. Go up. Go up. Bus. Now select the tail ball. Tail. No, that is head. Tail means where it tapers. Come down. Last tail. Yeah. That is the tail. Right. Now press G and then bring it down. No. Wait. Slowly you should bring it. Okay, you undo it. Undo it. So press G and then Z. Slowly down. Slowly. Bus. Enough. Now press E. Now you are going to press E. Yeah. Now move it left side. Left side down. Slowly down. On the green line. You keep it. Keep it there. Now press G and then Y. Press G, Y. Right side you move. Right side. Slowly. Bus. Enough. Now press E and then move it forward. Press on the green line only it should be. bus enough. So this is what we drew now, same bone. Huh? Right. Now you are going to name this. Sorry. Now select the first bone. Yeah. Press F2 and name it as D femur. MUR I think. Okay, it's okay. Right. Now select the second bone. Press F2. D tibia. Yeah. Fine. No, it is correct one. That's okay. It's not a problem. Right. Now, if you want to see these things in outliner, no, go and press Shift and then click on that. Go to outliner, press Shift and then press Shift and then so entire thing go. Right. You can just see it. No, let it be open only. It will be open. Yeah. Now you come to the viewport. Name this guy. Press F2. D ankle. Right. Now next last one is D toe. Right. Now go to the properties. Little broaden the properties editor. First. Now go to the properties, armature properties. Down. Yeah. That only. Armature. No. This is bone properties. So there, viewport display. Names. Switch on the names. Yeah. So now you can see the names of them. Right. Now we are going to create the control bones. Right. Now first select the knee bone. Yeah. Now press E. Yeah, and then not very small. It may not be. No, it is already created. I think you did undo. No. Just move. Just don't press E. Press G and then move it and see. Press G. Okay. See, already it is there. That's why we should do undo when you create. No, we should do undo. Zoom it. Yeah. Zoom it. So press Alt Z. Press Alt Z. Okay, it is not working. X-ray, switch on X-ray. X-ray. Now, it's okay. Now, press, no. Yeah, let it be like this. Press G and then move it slightly leftwards. Bus. Now you select the tail of that small bone, only tail. Yeah. No. Yeah. Now zoom out. Press G and then Y. Yeah. So two bones are. Yeah. Correct only. Do continue. Bus. Now zoom it. So one bone from here we have to delete. So that bone where your cursor is, that press delete. Bones. Yeah. Now this bone you select. Press Alt E. You have to separate it from the chain. Yeah. Clear parent. Yeah. Now press G and then move it and see. No. Just press. So now it is separate. Undo. Now press G and then Y. Move it. There only you keep it. No, not this much distance. Little come here. Bus. Right. Now rename him as CTL knee. F2. CTL knee. Yeah. Right. Now you should carefully extrude. Okay, not by impulse. Don't do. Carefully extrude it. Now you are going to extrude the ankle bone. Select that ball, ankle ball. down. Yeah. Now zoom there. Press dot or something. Press dot. Yeah. Now little zoom there. Bus. Now you are going to extrude it and keep it right side. Okay. Press E. Yeah. Yeah, like this one. Bus. Enough. Now select it. Select that bone and then clear pattern. Alt P. Yeah. Now this bone we are not going to move it away from the point. It should be there only. This bone is going to become the IK controller, or IK bone, like that we can call it. Right. Now press F2 and then name him rig space IK ankle. Yeah. Right. So next one we are going to create for the foot pivot. So select that ball, next ball, next ball, down. Yeah. Now press E and then go upwards, straight up, little, bus, enough. Now select that bone and then clear parent. No, that body only. Bone means body. Clear parent. Alt P. Rename. This is controller. It's not a rig bone. So CTL foot pivot. Right. Okay. So now the next ball you select and then extrude upwards. You should be erect, straight up. Yeah. Same length. Yeah. Bus. Select him and then clear the parent. Alt P. Yeah. Name him as CTL toe. Right. Now there is one more control which is going to control all the controls. He is a controller of all the controls. So for him we need a shape like this toe bone only. So let's select this D toe. D toe is a down. Shift D. Escape. Press G Y. Move it there only, correct. And the origin only you keep it. Origin. Back. Yeah, back. Yeah. That cursor, 3D cursor is there, no? Small 3D cursor, white, red. There only. Bus. Enough. Now press Alt P. Alt P. Clear parent. Yeah. Now this bone length is too much. So what we are going to do is press N. Yeah. There, do you see a parameter called length? Yeah. In that, type 0.6. Yeah. I think 0.4 should be okay. Yeah. Oh, fine. So now let's rename this as controlled leg. F2. Yeah. CTL space leg. So now we have created the controls and we have created one rig bone also. There is mechanism bone. And now we have to do the clear rolling. So press A. Alt R. No, it didn't go like Alt R. No, select all and then Alt R. Okay. Now go to armature top. Go to armature top. there bone roll, clear roll. So now it is. Right. Now select the tibia bone. Just check it what the roll is in the parameters on the right side. You see, just see roll. No, the transform panel. You see roll parameter 0. So like that for all bones it should be 0 mostly for most of the bones. No, if it is straight then it should be 0 only. If it is like, yeah, you already did it. You select any one, you will just see any other bone, you will all be zeros. So you select press DA and then did it for all. Right. So now you can save this as leg bone version 1. Right. Okay. So now next time when you save, you have to save it as incremental. Okay, save incremental. Right. So now I told you that we have to switch off the deforms for the control bones alone. Okay. So for deform bones, the deform option should be on. So now select the deform bones first and create the collections. So select the one by one. You should select using the shift. Select the femur bone, tibia bone. Femur is top, right? So then ankle bone, D ankle. No, that is rigged. D ankle, deform bone. Only deform bones you are selecting. Whichever is named D, they are deform bones. Yeah. So you yourself find out where there are D's, those D's you select. Yeah. Right. So 4 deform bones are there. You are going to make it a collection. Means what? Selection set. Okay. So go to right side, bone collections. There is a plus symbol there on the right side most. Yeah, add it. Now rename this as the collection rename. No. See, dot 001 is the one you created, right? Now double click on that. Deform bones, like that you name it. Right. Now press assign. Right. Now you can see a small white color dot has been formed on the right side. You can see that. Right. Now this is you have selected the deform bones and then created a collection set. Right. Now you have to select only the controls, whichever are CTLs. Those CTLs you have to select. Select the CTLs, all the CTLs. Top. No. Now go to collections. Down. Properties. Collection set. Now create plus symbol. Press. Yeah. Rename it as controls. That is enough. CTA LS is okay. Yes. Now by mistake you have deselected all the controls. You have to again select all the CTLs. No. You can select properly. You see, only ball you have selected. Now go to the collections. Assign. Right. Now you have created the collection set for controls also. Right. You can just test it. How? Just first you switch off the bones. Default. Select the bones. The collections, in the collections there is something called bones. First select that one, and then press minus, we don't need that. Select. Now we have two collections, just visibility of any one thing. So this is for hiding this one and this one hiding. Okay. So for when you are giving into animator, you will hide the deform bones. Just hide the deform bones. Yeah, like this only you will do. Okay. Because you should not by mistake select the deform bone and move it and all. Right? So you should have the access only to the control CTLs, not to the Ds. Right? Now you select switch visibility, make it on for deform bones. Now save as increment. Right. Now the next thing what we are going to do is creating the parent-child relationship. So go back to the 3 only. Press 3. So now I told you this knee, CTL knee is a grand kid actually, grand kid. So he is going to become you are going to select him first, and then his parent, his next immediate parent you are going to select. So first select the control knee. Next, who is his parent? Immediate parent is IK handle. That is rigged IK ankle is a parent. Now control P, keep offset parenting. Now select the ankle. So his next immediate parent is foot. Okay. So so control foot you select. Shift no D. See, I am not talking about D at all. Only controls I am talking. No, undo. Now press control P. If you are now little zoom, you can zoom it and keep it. Now select the foot. Control foot, and then select the control toe. Control P, offset. Now control toe you have to select. Control toe. No, D toe you have select. And then select the control leg. Control P, offset. Now to test this, so we have made the parent-child relationship. If you want to check in the outliner, you can just go to outliner and press shift, and then on the CTL leg. Press shift. No. There only up. Outliner. This CTL leg. There open. Press shift and then open it. Up. CTL leg. Press shift and then open. No, there only. So now you can see the hierarchy. So who is under whom? Knee is under the ankle is under the pivot is under the toe is under the leg. So control leg is the ultimate parent, and control knee is the ultimate child. Now save, just control S you do. So now we have made the parent-child relationship, we have created the collections. Okay, fine. Now we are going to do the I case. Okay. So that is for parent-child relationship, it should be done in the edit mode. This every time I am repeating. Okay, this is very important. So you have to do the constraints in the post mode only, not in the edit mode. So switch off the snap icon. Go to post mode. Now in the post mode you have selected already the control leg. Press G and then move it and see, just G. So entire rig is moving. Okay, this is what it is. Entire control family is moving, but it is not affecting the deformed bones. D bones it is not affecting. Why? They are not yet linked, right? They are not yet applied constraints. Through constraints only they get that link. They get that chemistry. So now you are going to apply the constraints. So select the D tibia. Yeah. Now go to, now you can go to perspective. Yeah, press dot. Now let it be like this only. Now you have selected the tibia. For this guy, we are going to apply the IK. So once we do apply this IK constraint, we cannot move this guy individually. Now you can just go to rotate option and rotate it. Rotate it and see. Yeah, it can be rotated all. Once IK is done, we should not do that. Once IK, that is once someone is going to take charge of this guy, we should not go and interfere. Okay, we should select only the controller, and our dealing is going to be with the controls only, not with the deformed bones. Right. Now you have selected the D tibia, and then you have to select the rig. First, you have to select the rig IK. Select the rig IK. Yeah. Now this W, we can put W. Press W. Yeah. Now press Shift and then select the deform bone, D tibia. Shift. Now Shift IK. Wait. Before that, I will tell you. Just go to Properties Editor, right side. Down, you can see Constraint Properties. Just go there. Yeah. So nothing is there. Okay. No. Don't give anything. No. So nothing is there, right? Now press Shift I. Bring your cursor to the viewport and then press Shift I. Active to active bone, actively selected bone. Yeah, now you have got it. Now in the chain length, right side, go to right side, chain length 2. How many bones are there? Femur and tibia. So number of bones 2. Right. Now you are going to apply the pole vector also, that is knee bone also. So go to pole target, armature, bone, down. Control knee. Yeah. So it will twist like this only. So what you have to type is go to pole angle right side. Down. There minus 90 or plus 90 something. Minus 90. Enter. Yeah. So sometimes plus 90 will work. Okay. In some directions, when you put in front viewport, if you draw the bones in front viewport, the number may be different, 180 or minus 90 or minus 180, like that you will have to try on trial and basis, you have to try. But it should not be like 45, 85 and all. It should be either 90 or 180 or 0. Okay. Right. Now you select the knee bone, control knee, up. Yeah. Now it will turn the camera. Bus. Now press go to move option. Yeah. Move it in the x-axis. Yeah. Yeah. So now you can see the knee is moving. Okay. Only thing, the ankle and toe we haven't yet done the IKs. So we have to do that also. Yeah, undo only. Right. Now go back to the right viewport. 3. Right. Now zoom the foot portion. Yeah. Now select the D ankle. Now this W, press W, no? Now for this die we are going to apply the IK. Same way how we applied for the D tibia, D ankle also should be applied. Right. Now um, select the foot pivot, CTL foot pivot first, and then select the ankle. Yeah, yeah. Now press I, shift I, sorry, shift I, escape. No. You have to press escape, okay, if you have gone into uh, by error. Shift I, active mode. Now, in the it is already done. Okay, the chain is created. Do you see the yellow color dotted lines in the viewport? Yeah, so that is called chain. Okay, the chain is being created. Now you have to make the chain to go to the right side properties. Now the chain length is 0. Chain length is 0 means when it is 0, no, means it is infinite. 0 has two meanings, okay. 0 can mean empty. 0 can means infinite also. So here it means infinite. So here you should type it, no, I don't want infinite number of bones to get controlled by this control field. I want only one bone to be controlled. So B ankle 1, enter it. So do you see that yellow color lines is now set inside the volume? Zoom it. You see, so that always you have to check it. Right now, once you have done this IK, no, or parent-child relationship, both will be on. Both will be in selection. You should always deselect. You should have that habit. Press Alt A. Immediately after IK or parent-child relationship, press Alt A and deselect and select only the control and then move it. Just select the control. CTL. CTL foot pivot. Just now you press G and then move it and see. So entire thing is moved. Yeah, undo. You can just check the rig IK ankle also. Select the IK ankle. No, don't have to zoom. Press G and then move. Yeah. So this also moving, right? Undo. Now you have to apply the IK for toe also. So select the D toe and there is first select the control toe and then D toe. Shift I. Yeah, that is the only option. Now, no, I told no, you should deselect. I told you are forgetting. See, when you do the IK, you should select one immediately. You should do Alt A, deselect everything, and then you should never select the deformed bone and then move it. Okay. Right. Okay. Press G and then move it. Move the control. Yeah. Okay. So I think right now. Yeah. Now select the D toe. D toe. Make it 1. Chain length should be 1. So don't forget to make this 1, okay? Otherwise, entire thing will collapse. Right. Now you have to select the control leg. Last, the ultimate parent. Press G and then move it and see. Just check. Yeah. So entire thing will move. Always yeah. Little move it up only. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Right. So on the right side on the transform panel, do you see all default values? Yeah. So change it to XYZ Euler rotation mode, down down. Yeah, yeah. There is quaternion, no? What? That one XYZ Euler. Yeah. So now you press rotation modes. Now select, press G and then move it. Now keep it like this. Up, up. Yeah. So now, yeah, keep it. Release. Now, now you can see the numbers in the location, right? So when you just type the 0 there in the location, go to location and type 0. All. That is, you have to just press and slide it. So at the time you can like that. So now you can see it has come back to the origin, or that is default wherever it should be. It has come back. So this is how it is. That is why we are doing animation only in the pose mode, not in the edit mode. Edit mode you cannot do the animation. Only in pose mode you should do the animation. So here only you should key it, do the keyframing, or that you should do. Now you have already selected the knee and then moved it. Now once again go to perspective and just move it and see. No? Go to perspective. Select the control knee. No, you didn't select. See, while doing now, see the knee how it will move. In one axis only it should move. Okay. So go to undo. Go to move option and then move. X axis. No. X axis. X means red. So this knee is working. Undo. See, always you should bring back it to 0. It is your responsibility. Okay. Right. Now select the control leg you have already tested. Now select the control foot pivot. Yeah. That. Now go to press 3 and then go to the right keyboard. Now go to, this is not going to be moved, it's all only rotation. So choose rotation option. Yeah, in x-axis you rotate it. Yeah, rotate. Yeah, right. So this way you can make this guy stand on the foot pivot. Right. Now select the control tool, CTL tool. Yeah, rotate it again, same. Yeah, so like this. So this way he is standing on the toe. So this is how the mechanism. Now you can save it as same incremental. So this is how it is. I think you have to start now. You said you have to go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So tomorrow is there, no? You are available. Okay. So tomorrow we will see that. One more lesson it will take. Okay, we will go. Yeah, no problem. So, yeah, no problem. Now you go back to object mode. Yeah. Now take add, go to add, mesh, and then cylinder. Right. Now press S and then scale it down. Plus. Now keep it on the starting of the leg. Press G and then bring it down little. Now press go to edit mode. Switch to face mode. Yeah. Now select only the bottom portion of the face. Yeah. Now little press G. No, 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 no. Undo, undo, undo. See, once you do know, it's you are not able to go back. So undo, undo, undo. Many undos. Two undos at least. Ah. Now press uh, one second. One second. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So now press move option. Move option. Yeah. Now just left side you move it. Green color X. Yeah, no, no. That is. See, I want this mesh to run parallelly along the lines of direction of the goals. Okay. Yeah. Like that. Now bring it down. Bring it down. Yeah, yeah. No, no. You are pressing E, I think. No, no, no. Don't. No, no, no. Why you are pressing? No. Again, you have duplicated it and you are not able to go back. No. Undo, undo, undo. Now move it. Yeah. You are just going to move only. Again. Come down and place it on the knee. A knee point. That ball, no. Correct. Little up, little up, little up, little up. Bas. So little leftwards you move, little leftwards. Yeah. Now, so now till knee level you have brought it. Very good. Now press E. Now only we have to press E. Yeah. Now bring it till the ankle point. You can press G also. You can press G also. But you should know the point where no, again you are pressing E. Oh God. Press G. Press G. Bring it down. Yeah. Little down. You can even zoom it, I think. Zoom. Yeah. Now that is that point is there, no? That articulation point where one bone is ending and another bone is starting. There exactly you should keep it. Down. You can see that ball's center point. Down. Yeah. Okay. So right. Now you can see that the actually we have drawn the mesh. Now there is an option that is for some modeling some object. We did that. You go to the where your cursor is. That is, you go to the toolbox. Go to the toolbox. Place your cursor on the toolbox. Left side toolbox. Yeah. Toolbox. Scroll mouse button. There. Bring down. Come down. That option. Shear. Yeah. Now, just press that. No. There is bring. Select it and bring it down. Bus. Yeah. Enough. Right. Now, press E and then bring it to the pivot point, foot pivot. Press yeah. Bring it. Foot pivot is there, no? You can press G also. G for no. Yeah, that green color should be at the center. There only. Yeah. Correct. Now again you have to select the orange color. Up. Yeah. Move it rightwards. Oh no. Undo. Yeah. Now select carefully the. I think your mouse is having problem. That's why. select exactly, no, undo. Just click on that. Just click on exactly on the orange, not on the corner and all. Don't place it your cursor on the corner. No, undo. See, on the orange, so much space is there. No, why you are going to the there only. Yeah, your mouse is having problem. Orange. Yeah. Place your cursor there. First place your cursor there. Now you click rightwards. No. Okay. Okay, no problem. Go to rotation. No, go to rotation option. Yeah. Now you rotate. Yeah, this simple. Yeah, rotate it. Yeah. Yeah. Downwards. Little more. Yeah. Further. Continue. Yeah. Straight. It should be like straight. Yeah. Now, go to scale option. Yeah. Just in Z. No. In Z axis. Minimize it. Little small. Now little more small. Bus. Now go to move option. Up. Scroll up. Scroll mouse button. Use scroll mouse button. Yeah. Now move it up. No. Move it up. Yeah. Move it up. Little more. Yeah. Bus. Yeah. Now press E. Yeah, and just keep it till the toe bone. Yeah, that's all. Now go to scale option. Yeah, minimize it. Make it small. Yeah. Bus. Now bring it. Go to move, and then move it down and keep it straight. That base level should be straight. Little more straight. You have to bring it down. Little more. Slightly more. Bus. Right. Now, if you see the ankle point, no, there you have to add a few more points, a few more edges. So select. No. Zoom it. Yeah. Now go to switch to edge mode. Edge middle mode. Press shift and then middle mouse button. Pan it leftwards. Press shift and the middle mouse button. Pan it leftwards. Yeah. Now you go select one edge. Press Alt and then select one edge in the ankle region. Select. Press Alt and then select. No. There is horizontal. You are selecting vertical. No, that is vertical. Horizontal. Cross. That. No. That is. Press W. No, press W. You don't need that axis. Now select. Press Alt and then select that one. Yeah. Now press Control B. B for ball. Careful. Little stretch. Yeah. Now left mouse button click. One click. Now you see on the left side down bevel settings are there. Left side down. See, do you see bevel word? Don't you see that down? Now go to segments. Apply to. Yeah, fine. Now you can close this one. You can just minimize this bevel. There bevel word is there, no? Okay, fine. Now go select that middle one only. Same you selected, no? Pressing Alt. Press Alt and then click there. Now go to top this what is that? This proportional editing option, global, next transform pivot point, next snap, the next to snap, the next, yeah, that one, switch on. Now press G and then move it. Yeah, move it down, slowly, slowly, slowly. Yeah, okay, okay. Little more down. Okay, it won't come beyond that. Little more up you take, little up you take. Up. Little more. Yeah, bus. Enough. Now go to rotate option. Yeah. Now in x-axis you rotate backwards. Yeah. Bus. Enough. Now little, that is this. It is looking like shoe, no? But okay. But that is how to say. Do you see control foot pivot? There is a lines are there, no? Edges are there. Vertical edges. Yeah, that edges. Yeah. There you. Yeah. Correct. Now go to scale option. Yeah. Now in Z axis you scale it down. Z axis. Yeah. Little more. Bus. Now switch off the proportional editing. Top. No, you don't have to deselect. Okay. You switch off the proportional editing. Top. Right side. Just now you switched on, no? Just now you switched on. Right. Now select the edge loop. Yeah. That one only. Yeah. No. That. Press W. That vertical edge. Yeah. Now go to scale option and then scale it down. Bus. Now go to move option. Oh no, you are deselecting. Oh, no need to undo, no. One undo you do. Go to move option and move it down. Make it straight. Baseline should be straight. Bring it down. Bus. Alt A. So this is how now you should build some mesh and then just test it out. After doing the rig, no, when you are doing at home, you have to just test it out like this. Now go back to the edit mode. It can be modified also, little tweaked and all, but still you don't have time for that. So go to object mode. Yeah. Now go to perspective. Yeah. Press dot. Yeah. Turn the perspective so that we can see little of. It may not be so from the top. It will be little front view. Yeah, little more. Come down. Little 1/3 view you try to keep, no? 1/3 view. Just turn the camera and then. Yeah, correct. Now go to edit mode again. Keep this view only. Go to edit mode. Yeah. Now keep your cursor on the geometry. Yeah. Little down. Little down. Yeah. No. There is in the middle of the. Yeah. Control R. Yeah. Scroll mouse button increase. Yeah. Bus. Left mouse button. Two clicks. Click one more click. Now same thing you do for the down part also. Yeah, keep the cursor there, control R. Yeah, scroll mouse button. Yeah, bus, two clicks, two left mouse. Yeah, bus. Now you can do for this one also. Last foot part, just turn the camera and little zoom and then do. Yeah, little scroll. Bus. Two clicks. Yeah. So this part also, I think there it is needed. Okay, it's not needed. I think. Oh, one more is needed. I think. One. There you press Control R. Yeah. Two, left, two. Okay, fine. Okay, yeah, left, two more, one more click. Yeah, that's fine. So this is how you should. When you are doing, no, you'll be able to do better, I think, because as per my instruction you are doing, and I'm not able to from here. I cannot tell you. So it is not descriptive modeling. No, it's very complex. See, I can tell you left, right, all that, but it is not so easy. No, it's not so simple. That is, just if I say left, what left you will ask me. So it is not descriptive. In description, we cannot put all these commands. So when you are doing, you will understand. You should keep the mind. You should keep the leg in the mind. How the leg will look. Almost like that. You just try to do. That's all. So yeah. So tomorrow we will see one more. That is how to make a mesh just with simple primitives. So that so that you can make your own. Right. Now you have done the model, just a leg model. Go back to the object mode. Object mode, from edit mode, object mode. Right. So now select the armature in the outliner. Right side. Yeah. Okay, select the mesh. Select the mesh and then armature. Yeah, and then shift, control select armature. Yeah, bus. Okay. Yeah, control select. In outliner means it is control select. Now control E. Yeah. Under the armature deform, third one, automatic weights. Automatic weights. Always choose that one. Always choose that one. Yeah. Now you select only the skeleton. That is armature. Only the armature. In the yeah. Now go to force mode. Yeah. Now I told you that rotation and all. You press Z and then press Z. Shade solid. Yeah. Now you have to select the knee and then move it. Select the knee. Yeah. Now little. Yeah. Go little. No. Always knee. No. Only in x-axis. Okay. No. It is y-axis. X-axis. Yeah. So little turn the camera. Like this. Yeah. So like this. Right. Undo. Now you can just select the control leg, the ultimate control, which is there bottom. If you are not able to select it properly, okay. Now these are called weights. Okay, I will tell you about the weights. It is deforming. No, that is the model is tearing, right, when you are moving. So so that to save that from that is why, because we didn't switch off the deform option for the controls. Yeah. So it is like what all are influencing the mesh. IK, rig, ankle is influencing the mesh. Knee is influencing. Everyone is influencing the mesh. See, deform bones should influence the mesh, no. But the CTLs should not influence. Rig bone should not influence, but they are also coming and influence. So they should not influence. Only deform bone should. Now, because we didn't switch off the deform option in the controls and then rig bone, they are also thinking, okay, I should also influence. Like that they are thinking. So now we cannot do that. Now we have to again select the mesh, Alt P, and then only we should do. Okay, it's okay. Now, so tomorrow we will make these controls a circle, and then yeah, and then do the deform switching off options, and then we will see the there is models with primitive shapes, how we can build them. Just a small simple character model, and then put a rig for it. Uh, okay. Yeah, 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 sure. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So, yeah, right. Thank you.